Here's some of the problems faced with here, just from the neglect. Can't believe the amount of corrosion. Well, I can believe it. Battery acid's pretty powerful. It's on that battery tray. That was a new OEM battery tray that was installed a while ago, but probably 5 years, and it's completely shot. There's another shot of this tray. You can see it's rotted out in that corner. It's got to get a new one. Got to get new bolts. That bolt in the corner there is completely corroded. And see if I can find this exact battery tray somewhere. Here's another good one. I couldn't get the battery in the correct orientation, so I had this piece of plastic and this piece of rubber wedged between the positive post on the battery and the fender so it wouldn't short out. I'm assuming that I couldn't just flip the battery for some reason. I don't even remember. Here's the old Harbor Freight air compressor that I had on there to run the air system that I installed towards the end of the build of the, last time it was running. That blew its piston, and there it sits. This is all the rust, just to show you guys. That's half of it already fell out of there. That's gone. I'll be able to save this here, hold down, but fortunately, is this two pieces or what? I was looking at the replacement and it looked like this tray is its own piece, but unless it's welded on there, or not, rusted on there. Let's see here. I think that's one piece. I think that was made the same. Well, I'm gonna need both of them anyway. That kind of sucks. All right, well, there you go. I'd find that hard to believe that corroded itself on there, but I don't know. We gotta get both new.